Buddy, this is Brian back with the Gala Games update. We'll take a look at this chart here in a second. I got some news here I want to share with you first. Gala had a Grammy nomination for one of their music artists. The platform's music vertical, Gala Music, recently hit the headlines after one of its artists, Amir Soleimani, excuse me if I pronounced that wrong, but he or her bagged a Grammy nomination. Another big thing today in crypto is Binance got the okay to move ahead to acquire Voyager, the VGX token. So the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and state regulators objected this, but the judge overruled it. The deal was worth right around $1 billion, and it goes on to say down here that with Voyager lawyers saying creditors could potentially make a 73% recovery with a bullish crypto market raising a previous estimate of 51%. So that's pretty awesome news. That's great for the crypto market. We didn't want to see Voyager go under. They've been around a while. And this article here I found really interesting was Coinbase tells a user missing $96,000 after a security breach that it's his problem, and he's suing him over it. He ended up getting a text message on his phone, and it was right down here. It says he received a text message on his mobile carrier in May describing a SIM card change request that he did not make. When he restored service to his iPhone the next day with a new card, he learned that almost his entire life savings was gone from his Coinbase account. That's horrible. Apparently it goes on to say that you are solely responsible for the security of your email, your passwords, your two-factor authentication codes, and your devices, Coinbase wrote. According to the complaint filed Monday in San Francisco federal court, Coinbase's email disclaimed any responsibility for the hacking of its customers' accounts. That's a shame. That's a lot of money to lose. I feel really bad for this guy. But so anybody out there, if you get any text messages or anything, please protect your assets. That's the biggest thing. Nobody wants to lose their money. So my feelings go out to this guy. And if I could ask you, please, before I forget, subscribe to the channel and like the video. I would very much love to have you here every day. I cover Gala a lot, particularly since I hold Gala, and I think it's a very good company to be into, that's for sure. But let's get into this chart. We had a golden cross. This is the 250 EMA. This is Gala on the daily. We had a golden cross occur right here for Gala, so that's very bullish. That you definitely want to see that on a chart. That's nice. We're still continuing in this wedge. You can see up here's resistance, right down here support. We're coming down to test this. XRP just did this fake out, which that will occur with these things. You'll get a breakdown to the downside, and then this thing will come right back up in the pattern and break out of it. These falling wedges have like a 80% chance they break to the upside. So take of it what you will, but it's not financial advice at all. This thing could fall right through and come right back down here to support somewhere. So I'm right down this way. So I'm not telling anybody to go buy this thing, but 8 out of 10 times it goes up. So we'll keep an eye on this, see what happens. If we zoom in here a little bit closer on the hourly, you can see it. It's holding steady here. So these wedges can take a little bit to work out, but usually by now something's going to happen. Could see this fake out and come right back up in. XRP did it. In fact, I'll show you that real quick because I was talking about that the day before, and sure enough, it did it. Right there. This is XRP. Let me put it on the 4 hours so you can see it a little bit better. I was talking about it right here. This is the wedge, and this was just a regular wedge, but it faked out to the downside, and then it busted up. It busted out of resistance, and now it's back testing, and looks like it could be heading up towards 43-cent range or so. But that's what'll happen sometimes with these things. So I'll check back in with you tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much for every precious moment you give me. I very much appreciate it. Please subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.